Now, let us see what a magnetic field is. A magnet creates a magnetic field around it, like an electric charge creates an electric field around it. The space surrounding a magnet in which magnetic force is exerted is called magnetic field. The magnetic field has both magnitude as well as direction. Magnetic field creates magnetic field lines around it. The magnetic field lines are the lines drawn in a magnetic field along which a north magnetic pole would move. The magnetic field lines are also known as magnetic line of force. The magnetic field line always begin from the north pole and end on towards the south pole of the magnet. Let us perform an experiment to draw the magnetic lines of force of a bar magnet by using iron fillings. Fix the paper sheet on a plain surface and keep the magnet on the middle of the paper sheet. Now, sprinkle some iron fillings over the sheet with the help of sprinkler. Now, tap the sheet gently. We will observe that the iron fillings will arrange themselves in a regular pattern. The bar magnet exerts a magnetic field around it. The iron fillings experience the force of magnetic field of the bar magnet. Let us perform an experiment to draw the magnetic lines of force of a bar magnet using compass. Fix a paper sheet on plain surface. Place a bar magnet on the paper sheet and trace its boundary NS of the bar magnet. A plotting compass is now brought near the end pole of the bar magnet. At this position, the end pole of the bar magnet repels the end pole of compass needle, due to which the tip of the compass needle moves away from the end pole of the magnet. But the end pole of the bar magnet attracts the S pole of compass needle, due to which the tail of compass needle comes near the end pole of the magnet. Mark the positions of the tip and tails of compass needle by dots B and A. We move the compass to position Y so that tail of compass needle points at dot B. Now, in the similar way as we mark the points A and B, mark the dot C. Repeat this process until you reach the other end of the magnet. After connecting all the marked numbers, we will get curved line representing a magnetic field line. We see that the magnetic field lines are closest together where the magnetic field is strongest. For example, the magnetic field lines are closest at the two poles of the bar magnet, so the magnetic field is strongest. Let us now discuss the properties of magnetic lines of force. The magnetic lines of force are closed and continuous curves. The magnetic lines of force always begin from north pole and end on the south pole of the magnet. The magnetic field lines of force are closest at poles of the bar magnet, but they are widely separated at other places. So, the magnetic field is stronger near the poles. The magnetic lines of force never intersect one another.